How to enable autoplay video on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. Then tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. After that, go to settings. Now, in this preference section, go to media. And over in here in this autoplay section, in order to enable it, simply go to on mobile data and Wi-Fi and you simply enabled your autoplay video on Facebook. But if you want to autoplay on Wi-Fi only, select on Wi-Fi only and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.